Right. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the three different round functions in Excel. And so we have round, round up, and round down. And so our first function, round, always rounds to the nearest whole number. And let's just use the function right away. So we have round here, and we select our number. And here we can choose the amount of decimal places we want. Let's, in this case, just put 0. And let's see what we get. We get 86 in this case, and if we do this for the bottom number, we get 60. And this is because if you have a number that's 85.5 or above, then it would round up. But if your number is less than 0.5, it will typically round down, which is in this case, right? We have 60.4, and that's why Excel rounded down to 60 instead of 61. Now, round up always rounds the number up, irregardless of that. So let's take it there, right? So we have select our number and our decimal places, and we get the following. All right, for this it's clear, right? Because 85.6 would always round up. But in this case, if you look at it here, 60.4 did not go to 60, but it went to 61. And this is because it always rounds up. Now, round down, as you can probably tell, is the opposite of round up. And so if we type that down, select our number and our decimal places. Okay, right. So in this case, even though round went to 86, round down went to 85, right? It went down. And same for the bottom value. So right, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.